Hey, this is Silent Solution. Today we are seeing how to GitHub upload your website free website. This is my Silent Solution. Here you Linux cloud related many video I can help many editors. First of all, we are create our repository Git website. Just my name is public. Just create here where our project open. Here is your VS Code. You can your Git bash open your folder. Here is my website project. Click and open here. Let's go first of all git branch. There is no git branch here. Git init initial is done. Status git add. I think our problem is fixed. Here is where warning few command here input. Now git add git commit my website. Just my message. You can your message. Committed is done. Now go to our repository. Now add our remote repo. Yeah, done. Git branch. Here is the master. Just send master is done. Now git push master. Yeah, I think our repository push is done. Yeah, now we are going to our setting. Scroll. Here is a page. Now we are just get GitHub Git pages. Great. Our GitHub page create is done. Now we are going to our setting. We are going to our pages. Yeah. Now we are deployment GitHub action. Yeah. Just now we're configure. Need some time. We're what? I think our website is almost ready. Here's just commit sense. Yeah, commit sense is done. Yeah, action. Just we're 1 or 2 minutes wait. Your website is live. Now we are excited our website. Let's go. Now we're sitting and again click pages, find the pages. Yeah, our website is almost done now. Boom, our website is coming. Where's the silent solution? Here is it. My website. You can your website. First time simple website has here upload. You can your website and then I think it's done. Thanks for watching.